How to send emails to multiple recipients individually. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail. Click on pencil-like option at the top left corner of your screen, which is Compose. Click on it. And then at bottom right, you'll find BCC option. Click on it. And then type in all the email user you want to send to. After you have added everybody's Gmail, add your subject and mail. After that, send it. When you send the mail, people won't be able to see who you forwarded this to. Only individuals will be able to see the subject and mail and not who you send to, so you can add multiple in here. This is how to send emails to multiple recipients individually. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.